Which animal never sleeps in its entire life? A dolphin, B. Jellyfish, C. Bullfrog. Correct answer is C. Bullfrog. Which country has the lowest number of women in the world? A. United Arab Emirates, UAE, B. Qatar, C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is A. United Arab Emirates, UAE. Within how much time should eyes be transplanted after death? A. Within 2 hours, B. Within 4 to 6 hours, C. Within 10 hours. Correct answer is B. Within 4 to 6 hours. Which state in India experiences the highest temperature? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which state in India produces the most salt? A. Rajasthan, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Gujarat. In which city was Mahatma Gandhi born? A. Ahmedabad, B. Porbandar, C. Rajkot. Correct answer is B. Porbandar. Which tree's wood is used to make paper? A. Teak, B. Pine, C. Bamboo. Correct answer is B. Pine. Which country has the longest national anthem? A. Greece, B. Russia, C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. Greece. Where is the world's largest cinema hall located? A. India, B. China, C. USA. Correct answer is B. China. What is the color of snake venom? A. Transparent, B. Yellow, C. Green. Correct answer is B. Yellow. Which country has no trains at all? A. Iceland, B. Maldives, C. Bhutan. Correct answer is B. Maldives. Which fruit seed neutralizes scorpion venom instantly? A. Mango, B. Papaya, C. Date. Correct answer is C. Date. Which river in Tibet is called Singhi Khamban, Lion's Mouth? A. Indus River, B. Brahmaputra River, C. Satluj River. Correct answer is A. Indus River. What is the total length of the Ganga River in kilometers? A. 2525 किलोमीटर, B. 3100 किलोमीटर, C. 2800 किलोमीटर. Correct answer is A. 2525 kilometer. What can you search on Google that may land you in jail? A. How to make a bomb, B. Hacking government websites, C. Both A and B. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. On which riverbank is Nasik city located? A. Ganga River, B. Godavari River, C. Yamuna River. Correct answer is B. Godavari River. In which year was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1950. Correct answer is B. 1948. Which country is called the roof of the world? A. Nepal, B. Tibet, C. Switzerland. Correct answer is B. Tibet. Which Mughal emperor was buried twice? A. Babur, B. Aurangzeb, C. Humayun. Correct answer is A. Babur. Which city in India is called the City of Space? A. Bengaluru, B. Hyderabad, C. Sriharikota. Correct answer is A. Bengaluru.